Imagine having access to a team of IT resources 24/7, 365, always available to guide you and back your IT up. With Eplexity, your imagination becomes reality. We are an AWS Premiere Partner, and we offer around-the-clock support. When we say 24/7, 365, we mean it.
We're there for the customers, really no matter what's going on.
We really take the extra mile to make sure that our customers are taken care of and that we're doing everything in our power to help them with their cloud journey.
Our Cloud Command Center, called C3, is staffed 24/7, 365 with AWS-certified cloud engineers and technicians.
Our C3 team is responsible for monitoring and managing our customers 24/7. So we work directly with our customers in helping them make sure their systems are up 24/7.
We really are just an extension of our customers' IT teams.
We support the updates, patching, and management of over 50 open-source software platforms that businesses rely on to run effectively. Whether it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m., we're here to help. Accelerate your AWS journey with our experts and back IT up with Eplexity. Eplexity.com.